Alright guys, so last night I picked up a new project from a buddy of mine. I'd like to introduce it to you. This is my 1986 Mazda B2000. Just a little 4-cylinder, 5-speed truck. And as you can tell, it's snowing out a little bit, so we're going to take her for her inaugural drift session. Let's get a little cold start going. Wow. I don't even know what that was. That was rough as hell. It's almost like the battery was dead and then wasn't, but she's alive. Pop the hood real quick. Show you what we're working with. This thing is interesting, to say the least. Alright, so we got a 4-cylinder. We'll figure that out another day. Oh, she got some high idle going. Where's the exhaust exit? Oh yeah. She's definitely cold. But yeah, long bed, which is nice. Quite low, as you can tell. Little crinkle over here in the back of the cab, but that's alright. Hopefully someday this turns into a drift truck or something. Alright, here she is in all her glory. Got some antifreeze in her, some 93, vacuumed and washed slightly. And this is what we got. Alright. Oh, does this antenna extend? Oh, it does. Well, that's pretty neat. Here's the interior. Carpet needs to be scrubbed a little bit. This is what we got. Seat's seen better days. And yeah, not much to it. I need to get a door handle for right here. A few other things, but yeah, that's her. I got a vision though. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. First, I wouldn't say modification, but personalization of this truck is going down today, right now. I'm gonna paint the wheels. So let me get her fired up. There she is, sitting pretty. Get her fired up. Move it. Oh. Move it so it's not in overspray range. My roommate's car. And I'll show you how I'm going to paint them real quick and fast. And oh. There she is. Oh man, you gotta love a nice little hard start for one of these old girls. Alright, we'll let her warm up. I'll move it over and I'll catch you back with my setup for painting the wheels. Alright, so time for a little status update. I definitely wish that I cared a little bit more about prepping the wheels, because it would have been beneficial, but that's alright. I can just use a couple more coats to cover up the lack of prepping the wheels. But this is what we got. We got 3 coats on the back so far. You can see some runs because it's running. Like I said, don't really care that much. Looks pretty good. The front only has 1 coat. And I also put a plastic bag to cover up the rotor so I don't get paint on the rotor. And this is the paint I'm using. Right here, some BHT black gloss black wheel paint. But honestly, I like it so far. I mean, from a distance, it's not really going to matter that I didn't prep at all and just sprayed what was already there. In hindsight, I'd probably use some I don't know, like lacquer thinner, is that what it's called? No, mineral spirits. I'd probably use some mineral spirits, wipe it down, dry it off, maybe even put primer on. Like I said, I wasn't really trying to go that ham, but yeah, that's for the future. Right now, it's gonna look better than it did. So I'll get back to you with an update once I take the cards out and all the coats are finished, and show you what it looks like. Alright, so final update. Be helpful to grab the bags out of the wheels before I drive away. About to go to work. Been letting this thing dry for the last hour or so. Definitely very, very, very far from perfect, but I like how it came out, and I think it looks better than the silver did. So this is the final product. This is what we got. Alright, a little bit of a run down the tire, but oh, there's another one. That's alright. Check out this side. Oh, no run on that tire. And there's a run. But they're black, not silver, and I think it looks good. I think it matches the front bumper well. Nice little accent to it.